until 8 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Durham to McChesney Park and moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Forward around 7:20 p.m. Janesville Airport around 7:25 p.m. Sharon and Clinton around 7:30 p.m. Downtown Janesville around 7:35 p.m. Delavan Lake and Darien around 7:40 p.m. Moulton around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Hanover, Upton, Allen's Grove, Emerald Grove, Avalon, Johnstown Center, Delavan, and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense squall lines can sometimes produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.